Hello, friends. My name is Sparky, and welcome back to Sparky Science Time. Today, we are going to do a super cool trick. It looks like real, but guess what? It's not magic at all. It's science, and science is even better than magic, because you can do it too. Today's experiment is, can you guess? Think. Okay, I'll show you.
Guess what? I'm going to GROO my own candy. Like actual crystals. All we need is sugar, water, a stick, a clothespin, and a jar.
First, I'm dipping my stick in water and rolling it in sugar sap. This gives the crystals a place to start growing.
This next part is super hot, so my grown-up helper mixes the sugar and water on the stove. I just watch from here.
Now we let it cool down so it's safe to touch. Patience time. Now I clip my stick to the clothespin and lower it into the jar. Careful not to touch the sides or the bottom. We cover it loosely and now it just sits here. This is the hardest part that is waiting.
Ooh, I see tiny little bumps starting on the stick. Whoa, they're getting bigger, like little candy rocks.
It worked! Look at all these crystals! I actually grew candy! But wait, how did sugar turn into crystals? Let's find out. When my mom heated the water, it let me dissolve way more sugar than usual sees, like a sugar squeeze. As the water cooled, the extra sugar couldn't stay dissolved anymore, so it grabbed onto my stick and stacked up into crystals. Science made me actual candy.
I hope you had as much fun as I did, Finn. Don't forget, you can try this at home with a grown-up's help, okay? And remember, science is everywhere. You just have to look for it. This was Sparky saying bye-bye, and I'll see you in the next experiment. Stay curious, my friends.